Hi guys.
Hi everyone, good to see you again. This is Benny from Boston Company.
This is Jackie.
We will show you how we produce a mirror. So let's start our factory tour for today. This is our raw material warehouse. You can see that we stock all of our raw materials in here, like the aluminum strip. This is our cutting machine. We will cut the aluminum in here before we doing the following process.
Then here is the second step of our
Automatic bending machine.
yeah.
Yeah, when we cut the aluminum strip, we will bend the aluminum in with this machine. With this machine, we can make a different shape of the frame of the mirror. As you can see, for this one, this is the round shape frame. Okay, this is our welding machine. Yes, we will connect this aluminum strip after we bending it to different shape with this welding machine.
Yeah, and next is our the fourth step of our manufacture, the mirror frame.
This is our automatic cement sealing machine. We will attach the frame of the mirror with the glass with this machine. Here is our dust-free workshop. On the roof, there is a filter. There are filters on the roof, so the room is very clean. We will use this room to, assemble the magnifying mirror on the glass.